Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Samsung dryer filter, check light blink 5 times. Full troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Clean the lint filter thoroughly. So turn the dryer off, open the dryer door, pull out the lint filter and remove all lint by hand. If the filter has fabric softener residue, wash it with the warm water and mild soap. Now let the filter dry completely before reinstalling it and reinsert the filter securely. Fix to check that the filter is installed correctly. Remove the filter, check for damage or wrapping. Make sure both the inner and outer filter section are fully assembled. If applicable, you can push the filter firmly into place until it is fully seated. Fix 3. Inspect the exhaust vent. Disconnect the vent hose from the back of the dryer. Check for lint buildup inside the hose. Clean the entire vent leading outdoors. Make sure the outside vent flap opens freely. Avoid crushed or kinked vent hoses. Fix 4. Power reset the dryer. Turn the dryer off, unplug it from the power outlet or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait 5 minutes and restore power. If starting a new dryer cycle, the fix 5. Check the door. Close the door firmly. Inspect the door latch for damage. Remove any clothing caught in the door seal. The fix 6. Contact Samsung support. If the filter check light continues to blink 5 times after cleaning the lint filter, clearing the vent and power cycle the dryer. Now contact Samsung support for further diagnosis. Now find your dryer model numbers and serial number, usually on the door frame or rear panel. So visit the official Samsung support page, the Samsung support. Choose home appliances and select your dryer model. Now contact Samsung via phone, live chat, WhatsApp or email, or book a repair appointment online. Goodbye and thanks for watching.